This video is meant to provide you with some valuable information on healthy recipes. We will go over a few examples of popular healthy recipes. This should give you an idea of what type of meals you will need to add to your diet to begin feeling healthier and to have a healthier mind, body, and spirit. Keep in mind, eating healthy does not necessarily mean eating food that is tasteless or food that you do not like. There are many different types of meals that you can make that, if prepared the right way, can be very nutritious and healthy. You would likely be surprised by the countless number of options that are available. Many people think that going on a diet means that you have to give up all good food. This is not true. It simply means that you need to find more healthy alternatives for your current eating habits. You can find other things you like. The following chapter contains recipes that you should not only find tasty but helpful for your diet as well. 17. Ideas for healthy recipes. In order for a meal to be considered healthy, it generally needs to consist of 350 or less calories for the main portion of the dish. It should also contain 20 grams or less of fat and 5 grams or less of saturated fat. This is a general rule and can change from person to person depending on their body type and current health condition. Also, if your doctor sets a different diet for you, it is important that you listen to what they say, as they are trained professionals. The following are some examples of some meals that follow the above guidelines. Green bean and paprika shrimp sauté. This is a delicious dish that bursts with flavor. It is sure to be a favorite for the whole family. The best part about this meal is that you will not even realize that you are eating diet-friendly food. The dish is simple to prepare, and the green beans add a snap and a bit of crunch to spruce the dish up. This is a Spanish-inspired dish, so it should be served with brown rice. You want this dish to be somewhat garlicky for best results. It may also be served with quinoa. You may want to consider purchasing pre-peeled shrimp. They may be more expensive, but they do come with the convenience of saving a lot of time. Chopped salad al tonno. If you are looking for something light that won't drag you down for the rest of the day, chopped salad al tonno is perfect for you. This salad is much better than a boring tuna sandwich and also gets rid of the problem of carbs. 18. From bread. It is not difficult to make and does not take many ingredients. The total prep time is about 15 minutes, so it is quick to prepare as well. All you need to do is stir together some lemon, salt and pepper, garlic, and oil in a large bowl. Once everything is mixed together, add olives, romaine lettuce, tomatoes, and olives, and then toss to coat. Once you have done this, you add tuna and toss again. This salad makes an awesome lunch but can be good for a snack as well. Grilled eggplant panini. This is another great treat. This is very healthy and can be enjoyed by the whole family. The presentation is important with this dish because you do not want it to look sloppy. Once again, this is not a complicated dish to complete and only takes about 35 minutes. It is important while shopping for your eggplants to look for ones that do not have mushy spots. They also need to be nice and purple and be medium in size. The best time to find eggplants like this is toward the end of summer. To prepare this dish, you simply combine a small amount of mayonnaise and basil in a bowl. Then you lightly brush each side of the eggplant of 1 tablespoon of oil as well as one side of each piece of bread. You then need to grill the eggplant on medium-high for approximately 6 minutes. Flip the eggplant and top with cheese. Grill for approximately 4 more minutes or until cheese is melted and the eggplant is tender. After that, you need to toast the bread by grilling it about 1 to 2 minutes. All that is left now is to put your sandwiches together. Simply place the eggplant on the toasted bread, cheesy side up, and top with red peppers, some onion, and the other piece of bread. Enjoy! Baby tiramisu. If you are like most people, even though you are dieting, you still want the occasional treat of some sweets. A baby tiramisu is a perfect solution for this problem. To create this splendid dish, you will need to combine a half cup of non-fat ricotta cheese and 2 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar in a bowl. You will then need to add a half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also mix in an 8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. All you need to do then is place your lady fingers in an appropriate sized baking dish and drizzle 2 tablespoons of espresso over them. Then you spread your ricotta mixture over the lady fingers. After you have done this, you need to place another lady finger on top of the ricotta mixture and pour another 2 tablespoons of espresso evenly over them. You then need to drizzle with 2 tablespoons of melted chocolate. Bittersweet chocolate chips are recommended. Don't forget to please share, like, and subscribe.